Let's run!
We'll find out.
I love it when the plans come together.
Southside, slow roll with me. West side, slow roll with me. North side, slow roll with me. Over east, come on and roll with me.
So what young person's gonna ride this? Wow! We'll watch him take off, and it'll be a good show. Good show. That's quite a contraption you got there to make things happen, huh?
Yeah.
Take the family and all the accoutrements to go with them.
Family and the dog and the groceries.
Oh my goodness!
All right. Slow Road Chicago is a bicycle movement. We ride to make our neighborhoods better. Period. This is why we exist. This is why we ride. Our mission is to connect a diverse group of people to utilize bicycles and the activity of cycling to improve the condition of our communities and transform lives by organizing community bicycle rides. Our vision is equal bicycle usage across the city of Chicago with respect to race, income, and geography. We envision bikes as a form of transportation, contributing to reducing violence, improving health, and creating jobs. Our target audience is the group of people in Chicago who traditionally do not ride bikes. That's people of color, low to moderate income people, Southsiders, and Westsiders. And the way we connect with our target audience is by doing what we're doing today. Taking a diverse group of people, sometimes 20, sometimes 200, and riding through our neighborhoods, helping to shift the perception of biking. It's not something that just little kids do. It's not something that just white people do. It's something that everybody can do. All right.
Slow roll with me. North side, slow roll with me. Over east, come on and roll with me. Slow Roll Chicago community-based organization. Utilize our bicycles to connect across the nation. Healthier way you living, better form of transportation. Promoting social change. We need a transformation. We rock for better jobs. We rock to stop the violence. Actions speak louder than words.
Quick stop. Haley at Jackson's house. This is now the current house of Senator Roland Burns.
Southside, slow roll with me. West side, slow roll with me. North side, slow roll with me. Over east, come on and roll with me. Southside, slow roll with me. West side, slow roll with me. North side, slow roll with me.
On a round tripper there. How was it?
It was great. It was nice. It was a good ride. It was a good pace. Yeah. It was very enjoyable. He was great, giving us hand signals.
You start early, you stay on it. Very good. Thank you.
Got him a Strider at home and everything, so he's
Very
ready.
good. All right, we'll see him on a bike next time.
All right.
Southside,